of YouTube. As you know, yesterday we did a killing my dead flower video, and today we have a video of us killing a baby eggplant, a baby pepper, and a baby tomato. And I tell you, these things aren't big. So last night what we did was, we took, if you can see the black part, we took a black toothpick and just sort of pierced it, and it leaked everywhere in the plant. So this is the end. So we're gonna move over now. We're gonna show you the fresh plants. This is the baby eggplant. We roasted it in water all night, so it may look disgusting. This is the baby bell pepper, I think. Yeah, bell pepper, and it still looks normal. And this, my peoples, is a tomato. So me and my brother were wondering what it looks like on the inside of a baby plant. So this morning, with the help of him, we took the ones that were so weak that we were gonna have to kill them either way, and just cut them open. So this is the inside of the pepper, and as you can see, the little seeds already start to leave, but that's the inside of it. This is the inside of the eggplant after it's been roasted all night and pierced with a black tip toothpick. Disgusting. At first I thought this was an olive though. And then this is the inside of the baby tomato. Looks like alien flesh. But yeah. So then in the cup down here we have the rest of the things that we're supposed to dissect. We have mainly the baby tomatoes down here in this cup. The place we got the plants from ran out of most of the good ones. As you can tell, the other half of the eggplant did not do so well. It smells gross. And then let's see here. And the other half of the pepper, stayed green, like I was supposed to. Had a feeling this one would do good. Except you can see part of the black if you look really close that we did. So that we pierced it with. So we will have more plant videos for you guys in the future. So just stay tuned on my YouTube channel. And this is the project.